Ameya Krishna. I am studying in class 3. I am telling a story of Cinderella. Cinderella was a pretty girl who lived with her stepmother and her two stepsisters. She did all the household chores except her mother and sister were unkind to her. One day a royal ball was to take place on the prince's birthday. Every young girl was invited to it. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters went into the royal ball. Cinderella was not allowed to go. Suddenly, a fairy godmother appeared. She made a carriage out of a pumpkin and turned rats into holes. She turned Cinderella's town dress into a beautiful gown. Return before midnight, as my magic will be end, said the fairy godmother. At the royal ball, everyone was amazed at Cinderella's beauty. The princess danced with Cinderella only. She forgot the fairy godmother warning. At the stroke of midnight, she ran out of the ball, leaving behind one of her glass slippers which she was wearing. Now the princess was madly in love with the unknown princess with whom he had danced. He announced that he would marry the girl whose foot would fit into the glass slipper. A minister went around the kingdom with the glass slipper. At last, the glass slipper fitted Cinderella perfectly. Soon, Cinderella married the princess and they lived happily. Thank you.